wide display case. First off, the overall dimensions. So left to right. Have a length of 38 3/8. A depth 18 inches. And a height of 20.5 inches tall. Coming to the front will be the main display. Coming to the back will be your top. Included will be 3 shelves on the top and bottom swing door, and 3 shelves on the bottom. The measurements for each shelf will include 11 3/4 in length for the top and bottom portion, and the depth we have 12 1/4 inches for the top row and a depth of 15.5 inches for the bottom. The entire length in one continuous row we have 35 3/4 inches. 35 3/4 inches applies for the top and bottom. And located beneath the center shelf along on the top of the display case are LED strips. 110 120 voltage. Along with coming below will be the power switch. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.